Making your stories shine, mastering articles and determiners in narrative writing. Hello, language learners. Today, we're venturing into a fascinating part of English grammar that can transform your narrative writing. We're going to focus on articles and determiners, and their role in storytelling. Mastering these tiny words will help your stories become more vivid and engaging, and we're here to guide you through this journey. Before we dive into the depths of creative writing, let's have a quick refresher on what articles and determiners are. In English, articles are the words a, and the. They're used before nouns to define whether the noun is specific or non-specific. For example, I saw a dog doesn't tell you which specific dog I saw. But if I say, I saw the dog, you know that I'm talking about a specific dog we both know. Determiners, on the other hand, are words placed in front of a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. This group includes articles a, n, the, demonstratives, this, that, these, those, possessives, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, and quantifiers, many, much, few, little, etc. In narrative writing, articles and determiners are crucial for setting the scene, introducing characters, and adding depth to your descriptions. They can subtly indicate to the reader when a character or object is being introduced for the first time, or if it's something the reader should already know about. For instance, consider this sentence, she opened the door. Here, the suggests that the door is already known to the reader or has been mentioned before, or that it's obvious which door is referred to. Now consider, she opened a door. This might be the first time we're hearing about the door. It's a new piece of information. Now, let's put this into practice. We'll start with a couple of sentences and then gradually build up a story. Pay close attention to how the articles and determiners help shape the narrative. 1. As the sun set, an owl hooted in the distance. 2. He walked towards the old mansion, his heart pounding in his chest. 3. A light flickered in the uppermost window. 4. This was his chance to uncover the secret he had been chasing for so long. In conclusion, articles and determiners are like the spices of English language. They might seem insignificant at first, but they're essential for crafting clear and engaging narratives. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from using these in your stories. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of these fundamental parts of English grammar. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more language learning content. Happy writing!